When you walk into a restaurant in Japan, the staff will usually ask one simple question: How many people? Today, let's learn how to answer that in Japanese. By the end of this video, you'll be able to tell the staff how many people are in your group, and you'll be able to get to your table in Japanese. Let's start with the key pattern. 人です. There are of us. Just put a number before 人です. But today's phrase is a special one. 二人です. There are two of us. It means a table for two, please. Now let's see it in a real restaurant scene. You walk into a restaurant. The staff greets you. Just listen first.
いらっしゃいませ。何名様ですか？
2人です。
こちらへどうぞ。
ありがとうございます。
Let's look at the conversation. The staff says, いらっしゃいませ. Welcome. Then, the staff asks, 何名様ですか? How many people? You don't need to say this. Just listen for it. Your answer is simple. Say the number of people plus 人です. For example, 三人です. There are three of us. 四人です. There are four of us. But 1 and 2 are special. One person is hitori. Two people is 二人. So, for a table for two, say 二人です. After that, the staff may say こちらへどうぞ. This way, please. Then just follow the staff. Now listen again. This time, you'll understand better.
いらっしゃいませ。何名様ですか
2人です。
こちらへどうぞ。
ありがとうございます。
Now let's try two quick questions. Question 1. You want to say a table for two. How do you say it? 二人です. Question 2. There are three people in your group. How do you say it? 三人です. Today's key phrase was 二人です. There are two of us. And the key pattern was 人です. There are of us. One quick tip. If you forget the word, just show the number with your fingers. Then say 二人です. That's enough in most restaurants. Now you are ready. You can walk into a restaurant in Japan and get your table. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.